Kettle's on for tea. Battery's not charging. It's supposed to be green in there, but it's continuously black, and this says that it's nearly fully charged. So I had to go and buy a new battery. Ugh. And then that. You open the door to this. Oh. Hello world. Pretty. Not pretty. Will be though. So hello from the inside of the Fiat. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, leave a like and drop a comment down below of what you like about the Fiat and what you'd like to see done next. So new battery is just installed. It's pissing rain out, as you can hear. It's a miserable day in Dublin. I'm just gonna stick the key in the ignition and make sure that it's nothing else serious with the car, because no, just battery started straight away. Wow, literally that's the way a car should start. Perfect. Perfecto. Right, back on track with the Fiat. So gonna obviously leave it now as it is. I'm gonna use the car today, and then maybe tomorrow, when it's not like this, I can start prepping the car for paint, fixing a few dents. So if you don't know how to fix a dent in your car and you'd like to try, I will show you how to do it and how to spray parts and get stuff ready for paint. So make sure you're sticking along for all of that jazz. So maybe that has something to do with why the battery doesn't want to charge or work. Yay. Now, just out doing a few mods to the Fiat, we finally have a CD player with USB on it, so I can charge the phone and listen to CDs. I will get a Bluetooth one eventually. It does say Bluetooth on it, but Bluetooth doesn't work for some reason. So also need to adjust the handbrake. As you can see, it goes up all the way to the top. How many clicks is that? 6 clicks, and then it stops moving, but I can literally just about move it with my foot. But yeah, that needs to be adjusted, as the adjustment is underneath here. You need to jack the car up and do it from underneath, so handbrake has to be down, and just tighten it a little bit. Hopefully get it to 4 clicks and it should be good. Also another mod, printing on the printer for the Fiat. See when it's finished. That's it, finished 100%. Let's get it off, cleaned, and I'll show you what it is. Now this is freshly printed. I got the file sent over to me by one of the lads, and it is for this. So I don't know how it actually works, but here we go. Here's to hoping that it works. So let's get it in. Not great, but they just keep bending. Maybe we'll just hot glue it in anyway. We'll see. But it does fit, as you can see, and that's what's going to cover that hole anyway. So that's it for now. I'm going to get some glue and I will glue it in just like so, and cover the whole hole. So I've been out the back garden for a while, just organising this mess, just getting all of this leveled out. I have wood on order, my brother's getting it for me. We're going to go from over here to all the way over here, just get it in a straight line across and do one section at a time. Once that's done, that can all be flattened down, and we will concrete that whole pad all here, and then get ready to do this bit here as well. So we're doing one bit at a time just to get it done. Also a huge thank you to anyone that is on my Patreon. I don't really have a lot of money, so anyone that is on the Patreon, I really do appreciate it, because the money that I had in the Patreon I'm used to get the battery and a service kit for the Fiat, so it is a huge help. So if you're not on the Patreon, I do appreciate it. Any amount is enough. €1, €3, €5, €10, whichever you sign up to, really helps a lot with the channel and with the builds. So yeah, let's get back to the Fiat. I'll be back at it tomorrow to get more work done. I'm gonna get some filler and some primer and sort out some of the dents in the car and get it ready for paint. I'll see you tomorrow. If you've never owned a Fiat 600 Seicento, it's the gift that keeps on giving. I did not know these back windows opened. It's actually pretty cool. Love it. So we're going to bring the Fiat over to get the windows tinted in moonshine tints. I have it booked in, so let's go get them done. Let's go get the windows tinted. So guys, unfortunately I missed my slot for the window tinting. I thought he said a certain time and it was wrong. So the Fiat is booked in for next week to get the windows tinted. Let's go do something else. So I headed over to Irish Garage Equipment just to get new tools there, and I had to look at this. Went to the Asian market. Look at this little thing. How cool is that? Bit of body work needed, but that is cool. I love it. I'd love to get one. Look at it, it's just a bike. Just a little bike. With a pallet in the back. Yep. I wouldn't mind getting one of them just for the crack.